Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot CMS forms to create CRM contacts step by step clearly. To authorize HubSpot CMS forms to create CRM contacts, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the marketing section in the top menu. Click on Forms in the drop-down menu. Select the form you want to authorize for CRM contact creation. Click on the Options tab within the form editor. Locate the Send Submission Data to HubSpot CRM option. Toggle the option to enable it. Next, scroll down to the Contact Properties section. Map the form fields to the appropriate CRM contact properties. Ensure that each field corresponds correctly to avoid data mismatches. After confirming the field mappings, click on the Save button at the top right corner. Now, go back to the form and click on the Publish button to make the changes live. To test the form, go to the page where it is embedded. Fill out the form with sample data and submit it. Return to the Contacts section in your HubSpot dashboard. Check to see if the test submission has been recorded as a new contact in your CRM. If the contact appears, the authorization is successful. If not, revisit the form settings to check for any missed configurations. Finally, ensure that your form is working effectively by conducting several test submissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.